showing Manchester City manager Pep Guardiola nearly getting into a physical altercation has surfaced online. Notably, Manchester City has suffered successive losses in the ongoing Premier League, including recent matches against Tottenham Hotspur and Aston Villa. In a viral video, Pep Guardiola is seen walking down the street when an unidentified man appears to mock him. In response, Pep Guardiola appeared annoyed and seemed ready to engage in a physical altercation, but was restrained by security personnel who held him back. A 24-second clip shows the Catalan coach walking along the street and sporting a great suit and a rucksack while carrying bags. Guardiola's nighttime pacing was disturbed by a figure filming him, who said, "Mate, just because you lost. Do you know what is lost?" Guardiola replied as he guided away from the fracas. "Do you know what is lost? You want me to sign you," he said. While there was initially some suggestion that Guardiola's reaction was prompted by City's current form, that is not the case. Instead, it appears to have been an interaction from the club's defeat to Manchester United in the Football Association Cup final. Stay tuned to NaijaNews for more real-time updates on the